was, were, did. It's very important, children. Already we discussed about the tenses. When we discussed about the tenses, I told you very clearly was and were comes in the past continuous tense. Right? Next did we didn't discuss. Why? Because it is a helping verb. But there is a lot of difference between was, were and did. Was and were, it is states about the subject, and we should use along with the helping verbs and main verbs. It's past continuous. It start one point of time in the past and then it will be continued like this. I was watching. She was cleaning the board. See here, it started in the past. Again, it is continuing in the present also. The action will be progressive. It started in the point of time. Still, it is continued. But comes to the did. Did is the simple like completed action, children. Did completed action. It will be already closed. Did plus V1. It should not comes along with the, should not use along with the V2, V3, V4 forms. Only with the base forms. You can frame the questions with the did past actions. Did you eat something? See, it already completed action. Did you go there? Did you go there? This is already past actions. Why I used here go means it is already comes here. Did he went? This is wrong. Why? Because I wrote here go. We do already did. Did she go to Hyderabad? Yes, that is obviously right. He didn't go there. It is imperative sentence. This is imperative sentence. See, children, was the were, it is a past action. Was the were past action, but it is still continue to the present. Did completed action. Are you okay? I was late. Yes, I was late. I is the subject. Was states about the subject. So it is it acts as a linking word. Here is not a helping word. We were late. We is the subject. Were works as a act as a like a linking word for the we. They were students. Here also were is linking word. But it is a helping word. Helping word which means which helps to the main word. But here there is no main word. That's what we said. This is the linking word. Just about the subject.